If you're selling a car in Illinois, one of the most important steps is transferring the title correctly. A mistake here can slow down the sale or cause problems for the buyer, so let's go through it step by step. Start by pulling out your vehicle title and looking at the bottom half of the front page. That's where the seller signs. You'll see a line labeled Signature of Seller. Sign your name exactly as it appears on the title. Right below that, there's another line for Printed Name of Seller. Write your name again, this time printed clearly. If there are 2 or more owners listed on the title, everyone has to sign and print their name in the same way. If your title shows a line holder, like a bank or credit union, you'll need their sign-off before the transfer is valid. Sometimes they'll stamp and sign the title itself, and other times you'll get a separate lien release letter. Either way, you'll need that paperwork to move forward. Now, what if you've lost your title? You can't sell the car without one, but you can request a duplicate from the Illinois Secretary of State. The replacement costs $50, and whether you request it by mail or in person, it usually takes about 4 to 6 weeks to arrive. Once you have the duplicate, the process for signing it over is the same. As a seller, keep in mind that neatness matters. Don't use whiteout, don't scribble, and don't make corrections. If you make an error, it's better to request another duplicate title than risk the sale being rejected. That is it. Thanks for watching.